Hello! So guys, if you check my videos, you will notice that I have created quite a few Vogue-ish videos. I really like them, I think they're really fun. And also I'm a huge fan of the Vogue Beauty Secrets videos. You know, the ones that Vogue invites celebrities to show their morning makeup routine or everyday makeup routine or anything. And yeah, I'm a huge fan. I've watched literally every single video. So today I'm gonna recreate the beauty secrets video of Miss Kylie Jenner. She created this video a few months ago on Vogue and I really liked it. I think it looks really good on her. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna recreate it with you, so let's see how this makeup looks on my face.
Hi guys, it's Kylie and I'm back. I missed you, Vogue. I just wanted to come update you on my new routine and also share all my secrets with you. I'm gonna start with my lip scrub, of course. We're gonna scrub.
Okay, first things first is using a lip scrub. I don't have a lip scrub, but I'm gonna use this lip sleeping mask. We're gonna pretend that this is the same. She's exfoliating her lips to make them softer and smoother. So this lip sleeping mask is doing the same thing. So we're gonna scrub.
Like we've never scrubbed before. I like to do a lip scrub before I start my routine, before I know I'm gonna wear a bold lip or a matte lip. I'm gonna do a classic Kylie glam today. I've changed my look a lot. I think that I'm into the more natural skin. I wear a lot less, but I've accomplished the same snatched look. Okay, so me and you, we're gonna clip my hair up. I'm gonna do like 2 pumps of my moisturizer. And then this is one of my foundation samples, my first secret of this whole video. Don't tell anyone. I'm obsessed. This is my use of that, mix it up.
Okay, hair is up. Okay, so she's mixing her moisturizer with the foundation. I'm gonna mix my sunscreen with my foundation because number one, sunscreen is the only thing I haven't put on my skin yet. I did a little bit of skincare before starting this video. So I have put moisturizer and everything off camera. And number two, this sunscreen is literally one of my favorites. I think I've talked about it before. It's the Beauty of Johnson. It could easily be used as a moisturizing cream, you know, just by itself. Because it's very moisturizing and it leaves the skin very glowy and hydrating. And also really like how it sits under the makeup. And my foundation. And now with my hands, I'm gonna blend it all over my face. I like that she's using her hands to blend the foundation. I also do it sometimes. It makes the makeup looks more natural and I really like it. Just make sure that your hands are clean before you do it. Okay, next is doing concealer. Just going a little bit under her eyes. Rude. Okay, I like that she doesn't use a lot of concealer. And again, with her fingers.
Nude Sticks bronzer. I think it's a foundation, but it's very thin. I like to take it on the brush.
I also have a nude stick product. This specific one, it's a multitasking balm for face, eyes and lips. I will also take my brush. This product is honestly one of my favorites because number one, it's a multitasking balm, like I said, and you can use it on many areas on your face. But also I really like that it's very, very creamy. You can control it very easily.
I don't do my makeup every day. I feel like the majority of the time I'm not wearing makeup because I always have an event or a photo shoot. So I like to let my face breathe, but I do love a tinted sunscreen. I feel like the way that I contour now is definitely less harsh. Like this is probably all the bronzer that I'll use, especially on a daily, but I'm just taking this angle brush.
Okay, next we're gonna contour the nose. Just doing it the same way that I contour my nose. I will just take an angled brush and with my bronzer, I will very lightly follow the shape of my nose. Some people don't even consider this as a nose contour, but for some of us, it works perfectly. I really like that Kylie's in her natural clean girl era, or some people call it Timothy era, which I totally agree. I think it looks really good on her. Don't get me wrong, I really like the King Kylie face. I just feel like this is something different and so it looks more beautiful.
These are my glow bombs. These are actually, I got a new one because mine look a little crazy because I use them every day. This one's like peachy. This one is very like a really pretty neutral blush. I like to mix them. This is my favorite part. This is like the best day ever. They're hydrating too, so it really just looks so pretty. Blends good. You can even put it over powder. You can also put it on your lips too. I'm actually gonna do that now.
Okay, next we're doing blush. I don't have a cream blush, I only have liquid and powder. And I think I'm gonna use the liquid one because I think it's kind of closer to the creamy bronzer. So this specific one, the Rare Beauty, if you know, it's super pigmented, so I will just put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I think we'll just start with my finger. I only use the tiniest amount, but it's still very pigmented. However, it's very blendable, so I really like it. She also put a little bit on her cheek. And she also put it on her lips. I kind of like it.
I love this Givenchy powder. I remember actually watching my last Vogue video. The amount of powder that I used is just unreal. So I'm gonna do a little bit of powder on here. Stormy still doesn't really play with makeup.
Okay, next we have powder. I'm gonna use this very old one that I use pretty much to every single one of my videos. So starting with this triangle applicator, and very lightly we're gonna set this area. I think powder is my least favorite makeup product. I know that I need to set some areas like under the eyes and mostly the areas that I have put concealer on, but I don't like a cakey finish. I like my skin to look glowy, so that's why I'm not really a huge fan.
I love these Charlotte Tilbury powders. Another secret, I have these amazing, I'm obsessed with these cream shadows. Start here. You could put this directly on your eye. I'm going for a lighter look, so I'm gonna put it on the palette. A little goes a long way and they don't dry too fast, so I like that you can play with them for a little. I like to focus on the outer corner of the eye.
Okay, next is using the liquid eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this RM Beauty. I think that this shade is kind of similar with the one that she's using. So I'm gonna take the back of this mirror. She's blending all over the eye. And also she's focusing on the outer corner. I love a liquid eyeshadow. It's very easy to use. I'm changing into a fluffier brush to blend it better.
This is just a really pretty neutral matte palette for every day. Maybe even a little here, just mix everything. When I have products that I really believe in, I want everyone's opinion. I love doing my own makeup because it's just very therapeutic for me. I love to zone out.
Okay, the only nude palette that I have right now at my home is this very old palette from Revolution. Okay, now things is taking kind of a smaller brush, but still fluffy. I'm gonna mix these two sides. And again, I think she's focusing on the outer corner. And also she creates a little bit of depth here.
I've been on like a self-care, love myself year. I've been back into my workout routine after having a baby and, you know, really into my skincare routine. My next step is liner. I'm really loving a tiny baby wing just to bring out my eye. I have round eyes, so I like to give them more of an almond shape.
Okay, next we have eyeliner. The thing here is that I will be completely honest with you, I don't really know how to do eyeliner, okay? I've tried it before, but I never really tried to learn how to do eyeliner, you know, properly, because I think that it doesn't really suit my face. Like, I think that it doesn't really look good with my colors. But of course, for the sake of this video, I will use it. And that's why I don't do eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. This is the best I can do right now.
I take concealer. I like to take off the end a little bit more and make it really sharp and clean. I'm gonna put my lip on. This is another sample of something really crazy, really crazy. I always overline my lips a little bit.
Okay, next we're doing lips. She's using the lip liner. The color is very similar to the color of her natural lips. And I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna use this lip liner, the MAC Insay Drill. I've talked about this before. It feels so weird to me, like she hasn't done her eyebrows yet. Like I feel so naked right now. I don't have a specific order when I do my makeup, but I definitely won't leave my eyebrows as the last step.
So we're gonna go brows. I'm using this Anastasia pencil. It has this cute new gold packaging. Brows used to be the focus of our look. We used to always do these thick brows.
Okay, speaking of which, we're doing brows.
Now brows aren't our main focus. I like natural bushy brows. I don't really fill them in as much. I just had to do this campaign shoot and they wanted bleached brows. So L'Oreal, I think, just left the bleach on for too long and my eyebrows fell off. So now I'm just trying to get them back, but it's okay because thin brows are in. We're gonna do, I just got this Kosas brow gel. Can you do a good brow gel? I just like when it like lasts really long, it's not too flaky. I found this in my drawer. I am obsessed. It is an all over face highlighter.
Okay, for highlighter, I'm using this powder.
The finale. This is my KYLIE Volume Mascara. I'm very excited to finally share this with you guys. I dreamed of my first mascara for so long, and this just took forever and changed my mind 100 times, and everyone has.
Okay, next we're doing mascara. So fun fact about me, I pronounce mascara in 2 different ways. Like I either go mascara or mascara. You probably have heard me pronounce it both ways. I don't know why, I just can't help it. I try to stick with one pronunciation. I just always change it. I don't think about it, I just say it. I know that it's kind of stupid because we're talking about 2 different accents. I just can't help it. Okay, just putting a little bit more blush. I'm gonna use this powder one so I can go very easily all over it. Okay guys, seems that we made it to the end. So this is the final result. Guys, I really like this makeup. I think it looks really good. So guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box like always. And I will hopefully see you to my next video. Bye, Vogue!